What do you think about our application? Do you think it's interesting?
Yes, I think it's an interesting and good application. The technology is changing, and we have to get information in new ways, like internet and iPads and different objects like this. So I think that this type of application is very useful in our lifestyles and the aim of take information for different.
Do you think it's easy to use, the application?
Yes, I think it's very easy to use this application. It's very interactive and it's easy to find the information that you want.
And what do you think we have to improve?
I think that that is okay, but in my opinion, I will do some improvements, like when it appears the information, some more color or more interactive.
Maybe the design? Or...
Yes, I think so.
Do you think it's interesting?
It's interesting, I think it's useful. Because maybe you want to find some news, and I think it's good to have some variety on media. Because maybe you're from from England and you are used to watch BBC, and you can search here maybe what's going on, what is the opinion or what is the point of view from other medias in other countries. Yeah, I think it's a really useful application.
And do you think it's easy to understand and use it?
Yes, but I will do a recommendation. You show me here. You show after how it's made. I mean, how you can use it, like the instructions. I think you should put this like, in a very accessible way. Like, I don't know, maybe the front page or something, like bar here, like learn how to use the application or something. And when you are doing now the testing, maybe to show first this.
Yeah.
To say, okay, it's going to be like this. You can click the arrow to reveal the news, and you can click, mark with a star what are your favorite medias. And so I will clarify. I mean, the application, the instructions.
Yeah, we will take into account.
It's okay. I think that it can be useful for me. For example, because a lot of days I must go to different newspapers to find the same thing in
contrast.
And to contrast the information, and I think that this can be a good point of view to the people, because it can be a tool to see the different points of views in only one support, no? And for me, I think in my common life, in my everyday's life, it can be useful.
Okay. And what do you think we have to improve?
First, I suppose that this is the first design, no, of the web page. First, the design. It's obvious, no?
Yeah, of course.
But apart from that, I think that it's easy to use. So, it's intuitive. But I think that, for example, here if you put the logo of BBC and you put here many colors and different things, it's going to be better.
Maybe more illustrated.
Yes.
With photos.
Yes.